Welcome to Top 10 Crypto News. The most popular crypto story today is Metaverse fans are paying $300,000 for a virtual property instead of buying a real house. As interest in the Metaverse has grown, more and more investors have flocked to the virtual world in search of a piece of digital real estate that many believe will be the future of social networking, work, and entertainment. Speaking with CNBC, CEO and founder of Tokens.com, Andrew Kegel discussed why some investors are willing to spend millions of dollars for parcels of land. He noted, prices have gone up 400% to 500% in the last few months. The Metaverse is the next iteration of social media. You can go to a music concert, you can go to a museum, all types of different experiences that you can explore and get immersed with. The CEO said, so it's not about what you and I believe in, but it's about what the future does. It appears that Meta, formerly known as Facebook's transition to virtual reality, along with the COVID epidemic and the fact that everyone has been confined indoors for a long time seeking ways to interact, has sparked a digital land rush that has swept the online world. The second most popular crypto story today is Feds say Bitcoin ATMs may be facilitating sex trafficking. There are now Bitcoin ATMs spread around the world. According to Coin ATM Radar, a website that allows ATM operators to self-report ATM locations, crypto ATMs are rapidly spreading across the United States. Number of Bitcoin ATMs in the U.S. Source: Coin ATM Radar. Unpacking the GOA's crypto concerns in June 2021, the GAO reported on payment methods accepted by platforms involved in the American online commercial sex market, which the GAO claims can be used for illegal sex trafficking. More recently, Chainalysis found that crypto-related crime hit a record high of $14 billion in 2021. The third most popular crypto story today is expect a big rally in Bitcoin soon. Every correction is always made up of at least three waves: A, B, and C. The weekly chart in Figure 1 shows BTC is below its 10-week and 20-week simple moving averages, but still above its Ichimoku cloud, while the technical indicators are getting oversold. Thus, all ingredients are available to set up a multi-week counter-trend rally. However, at this stage, it is unknown if the current decline from the all-time high made last year will consist of 3 or 5 waves. If the former, then we should see the more extensive major B wave develop soon, whereas if the latter, all we should expect is a short-term bounce first to about $47K plus divided by 2K before the last drop to around $32 plus divided by 2K. From there, the B wave can then start. I keep my premium crypto trading members daily abreast of each option in great detail to ensure they are as well prepared as possible for either option. Meanwhile, many of my crypto trading systems members are exiting their short-term short positons, which also signals a trend change is likely imminent. The fourth most popular crypto story today is Cardano poised to reign as the most sustainable green blockchain project as it achieves 1 million trees milestone. Advertisement: the Cardano Foundation is making inroads into tackling climate change through land restoration efforts using Cardano. An update from the foundation on Sunday confirms this new environmental initiative has recently achieved the 1 million milestones in trees planted. Veritree is a climate restoration platform that uses blockchain technology to record and track tree plantations for customers. Veritree then plants 1 tree per each ADA exchanged. Cardano Foundation exec Frederick Regard said on Jan. 9 that the Cardano forest is 100% funded and that the 1 million trees milestone had been attained. That being said, the Cardano Forest project is part of a wider effort by Cardano to become a carbon-neutral blockchain that drives forward a generational change in ecological conservation efforts. The fifth most popular crypto story today is Fed Chair Jerome Powell appears before the Senate Banking Committee. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell has run the U.S. central bank for the last 4 years, but his most significant work may have come in the past 2 years during the COVID-19 pandemic. President Joe Biden recently nominated Powell to a second term helming the Fed. The Senate Banking Committee will question the bank regulator on Tuesday, 10:25 a.m. Powell, in his opening remarks, highlighted the economy's current strength. We know that high inflation exacts a toll, particularly for those less able to meet the higher costs of essentials like food, housing, transportation. We are strongly committed to achieving our statutory goals of maximum employment and price. 10 a.m. This hearing is about to kick off. The sixth most popular crypto story today is the Litecoin Foundation enters the world of professional esports. Litecoin Gaming, with support from the Litecoin Foundation, has signed their first professional esports team, Nefarious. Known for their tireless work ethic, dynamic team construction, and focus on the mental aspects of gaming, Nefarious will now compete under the Litecoin Gaming banner in top-tier tournaments like the Rocket League and beyond. Rocket League is a great addition to our already rapidly growing organization. We are entering the professional esports scene within the top 16 in the world of Rocket League. I'm very excited about the opportunity to have the team join and help Litecoin Gaming grow. In October 2021, Nefarious also competed against the world's top teams at the Haunted Hallows Cup, finishing inside the top 16 overall. The seventh most popular crypto story today is Fed Vice Chair Clarida to step down early following scrutiny over his trades during pandemic. Federal Reserve Vice Chairman Richard Clarida said Monday he will be leaving his post with just a few weeks left on his term and amid revelations regarding his trading of stock funds. The move comes following additional disclosures regarding trades Clarida made in February 2020, around the time when the Fed was getting ready to roll out what eventually would become its most aggressive policy tools ever. In an effort to combat the COVID crisis, I will miss his wise counsel and vital insights. Markets dropped on Feb. 24 amid worries that the spreading coronavirus could cause substantial economic damage. There is still road left to walk and damage to be repaired. The eighth most popular crypto story today is Avalanche-Based Wonderland makes seed investment in betting Dapp. Algorithmic money market Wonderland has made a seed investment in Polygon blockchain-based decentralized betting application BetSwap. The team said in a post on Friday, BetSwap allows users to bet on or be a bookmaker for a variety of markets, such as sports. Among Wonderland's objectives is to invest in other DeFi protocols using funds staked by its users in exchange for tokens. This is part of a rising anti-venture capitalist narrative by the Frog Nation's frogs, a bunch of common men and women using technology and crypto to capitalize on opportunities and provide value to protocols instead of seed funding rounds and investments mostly benefiting venture funds and well-connected private investors. Time's price saw a brief bump up following Friday's announcement but lost 3.2% in the past 24 hours amid a plunge in the broader market. Time exchanged hands at just over $2,460 at the time of writing, according to CoinGecko. The ninth most popular crypto story today is Brave browser users doubled again this year to over 50 million monthly active users. Say what you want about Brave browser, but it is one of the few web browsers on today's internet that is seeing strong user gains year over year. The company acquired the open search engine Tailcat in the first quarter of 2021 and has launched the search product as Brave Search in the second quarter of 2021. Mozilla, which is struggling to retain users, has more than 4 times the monthly active users. If Brave's growth continues, it could surpass Mozilla in 2023 provided that the monthly active users of the Firefox web browser remain at a stable level. The 10th most popular crypto story today is Disney obtains a patent for an amusement park in the Metaverse. The international entertainment giant Disney recently announced a patent approval to provide Metaverse functionality in its theme parks. The patent, known as a virtual world simulator in a real place, was approved on December 28, 2021. Disney officially registered it with the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office in July 2020. The international entertainment giant Disney recently announced a patent approval to provide Metaverse functionality in its theme parks. We'll be able to connect the physical and digital worlds even closer, allowing you to tell stories without limits in our very own Disney Metaverse. Disney has a total of 12 parks located in the U.S., Paris, Hong Kong, Japan, and China. If you enjoyed the top 10 crypto news stories today, then like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.